Okay, so we are on page 119 and we are going to do the entire revision activity. Number 1, remember, like I said earlier, if it's revision, it means I'm not teaching, I'm just running through it with you. I shouldn't even be, I'm doing you a favor here, right? Number 1, write down the number that is 5 more. So what operation are you using here, Zikalala? Yes, well done. You're using plus. We are going to do a number sentence calculation answer. Number 2, write down the number that is 200 less than. So what operation are you using, Madlala? Minus. Well done. Write down the number that is 70 more. Plusing. Number 4, write down the number that is 1,000 less. Minus. Right. Now we move on to ascending order at number 5. If we are ascending, we remember that Jesus ascended to heaven. He started low and then he went. So you are going to start with the smallest, lowest number and you're going to end up with the right. If the first numbers are all the same, you must go and check the second number. If the second numbers are the same, go and check the right. Number 6, write the following in expanded notation. So you must separate each one. If the number was 267 and we expand this, what's it going to be?
200 plus 60 plus 7.
Okay. If there was a 0 in this number, so for example, if it was 207, you can write 200 plus 7. You do not need to include this one. Okay? And then we have number 7. They give you the expanded notation and they want you to write it as a simple number. So you must write out the full thing is equals to and the final number. Okay? Number 8, what is the most likely mass of the following objects? So I have a small onion, a normal onion, one of them. Is it most likely to be 10? Jaden, look in the text. Is it most likely to be 10 grams? Or 100 grams? Or 1 kilogram? Or 10 kilograms? Just one single onion. And then remember our notes from yesterday about the peach. The peach was approximately 175 grams. And onion is close to that, isn't it? So of these options, which is close, you must use your general knowledge and think and put things into perspective. About 10 pencils, if we remember our work from Zikalal or that guy at the back there, Londani, he actually weighed it for us. And then a newborn baby, and then a man, a fully grown man. Number 9, what is the mass on these scales? Remember I told you to break it up on intervals there. And number 10, write the following mass in grams. Remember, if you're going from kilograms to to grams, are you multiplying, are you dividing? And by how much? And where are you moving your commas? Go back and check your notes. And then number 11, the mass of 5 pairs is 900 grams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together on the scale, they weigh 900 grams. Right? I want to know what is the mass of just one pair. So what operation are we using, Jaden? Londani? We're using division, correct? Give me a division sum. Don't scream. Landa? It's going to give you 1. Okay? And then 11b says, what is the mass of 12 pairs? So now you calculated 1. You need your answer from A. What are you going to do with that answer from A to get your answer to B? Mr. Z? By? You're right, you times it, but by what? Your answer from A times? Yes, times 12. Well done. And whatever you're going to get your answer in grams, you must convert that grams to kilograms, alright? Number 12, Musa, if 1 kilogram of cheese costs 55 rand, what will 200 grams of cheese cost? Right, before we divide, we need to? That's quite right, well done. So we're going to say 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams, well done. And then we're going to divide by 200. Good. Nomfundo goes to the shop and buys vegetables and fruits. A cabbage has the mass of a quarter kilogram. A bag of potatoes has the mass of a half a kilogram. Avocados in a bag has the mass of 2/5 kilograms, which means you're going to take your kilo and divide it by 5. And then a green pepper has a mass of 1/5 of a kilogram. A tomato has a bag of tomatoes weighs 3/4 of a kilogram. Order them from the heaviest to lightest and then find the total mass. So you're going to convert them all to grams and then you're going to order them from heaviest to lightest and then you're going to add them. Number B says round off the masses to the nearest 100. Now I saw a lot of shocked faces when you saw 1/5 and 2/5, right? Look carefully. If I asked you for 3/5 of 1 kilo, we are going to write 3/5. Let's do grams here. Over 1. And then you do your division and you will get your grams. Are we together? Okay. This calculation can be done on scrap. I don't want all the calculations in your book, okay? Alright? Questions? Keep them simple and logical, but ask if you are unsure. Going once. Jaden, questions? No questions. Zikalala? Nothing. Danica? No. Judea? For number 10? Number 13, we're going to first do our conversions and in one line write all the conversions. Then we are going to do our sum, our plus sum in a line, the number sentence, then our calculation, then our word sentence. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Anil sir. Did I answer your question? Okay, Lolani?
For number 1 to 4, we're supposed to do the calculation.
Yes, number 1 to 4, treat it as word problems. So you must do 3 phases, right? Abulel, you okay there? Luyanda? Write this. Let me stop here. Bye, guys.